video this morning on this 60 Cadillac. Had a little run of some of these classic Cadillacs lately. Had somebody request a running video, so I figured we'd go ahead and pop one on YouTube. 1960 Cadillac, two-door hard top. This car, other than one single repaint that we were told, is basically original. It has had replacement carpet. But the interior is told to be completely original. Body lines are good and straight. Like with anything of age, I'm sure it has some body work or paint work, filler, putty, whatever. But it's pretty damn straight. All the trim, chrome, stainless, lenses, everything are still intact. Most of the time these get real dry rotted and fall off and break. And a lot of that stuff's about impossible to come by these days. But on this car, it's all there. We've got this, and we've got a 61 currently available. 61 is a chop top. Started life as a hard top. Somebody cut the top, made it look like a convertible. That's on the website also. And several other classics getting ready to get posted. Check out the website anytime. Full listing of all these vehicles. Thanks for watching.